This is a Cobalt Hand Auger. On the back, it has a nifty little handle on it that allows you to spin and turn it backwards or forward. It has a locking mechanism here on the side that allows you to lock the coil into place. You pull it out, lock it into place, then you pull the handle, rotate the handle while slowly feeding it into your line here. The thickness of the coil here is 1/4 inch, which is perfect for standard plumbing at home, which is 1.5 to 2 inches wide. The coil on the end of it has a corkscrew in there that allows you to break through grease, hair, food particles, and soap scum. It has a nice little spot back here where you can put in your drill. Slides right in and just tighten your drill and fire away. I don't want to use a drill for this here because we want to take our time and slowly do it, just in case you're new to all of this. I don't want to do any advanced techniques. Let's just manually take our time and see if we can unclog it by using the Cobalt plumber's drain snake or hand auger. Now what we're going to do here, we're going to pull some of it out. Then we're going to use the nifty little locking mechanism here on the side to lock it into place. That way it doesn't come out or back in. We're going to feed a little bit at a time into our line because we don't want it to bunch up. We're going to take it, slide it in, push it in, unlock it, pull just a little bit out, lock it back, slide it. Okay, and now it feels like I hit something. Now I'll start my spinning and let it slowly feed itself in. Unlock it, pull a little bit out. Make sure you only pull a little bit out at a time. That way it doesn't wrap around itself or coil and get jammed into your plumbing. Spin it. Now make sure you keep an eye on this end down here because this is where we're going when you go into your plumbing underneath your sink and drains. See down here? Came out on the other end. And you'll continue to feed it. This here is 25 feet. So you're going to continue to unlock it and feed it into your system until you feel like you hit something. And when you feel like you hit something, you're going to keep on turning it until it feels like you broke through. Then you're going to put your plumbing back together and turn your water back on and see if that works. Sometimes you just have to take a deep breath, retire for a minute, and go back and try again. Because the clog can be further down. You don't never know until you put your plumbing back together. These are the same steps that professional plumbers do. And it can save you up to $400 by learning to do this with a $20 hand auger. The same way to pull it back, you'll unlock it. I like to use a rag because there's going to be a lot of sludge and sewer gunk that's going to be on your auger. The rag allows you to clean it off before you store it back into the drum here. So we're going to pull back out. Gonna wipe it off. Then slide it back into your unit. Slide up, clean it. Slide it back in. Slide up, clean it. And you're gonna repeat the process. We're gonna lock it, pull it back out, unlock it, slide the rag up, slide it back into your unit. It takes a few tries to get used to it, but it's something that will save you money in the long run. And it's also a good thing to learn how to do yourself at home. My name's Kenneth Brown, and my channel is Brown's DIY. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel. And if you're looking for a nice handy handheld auger, there'll be a link down in the description. And if this doesn't work for you, I have a great video on my channel that will be popping up right after this one. Take a look at it. You won't be disappointed. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day, y'all. Goodbye.